You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this shape from geometry. If you want to learn very curious names of incredible shapes and incredible names, stay tuned with our videos you'll want to watch and listen to. Dodecagon is normally how it is pronounced. It's a polygon of 12 angles and 12 sides, which is what dodeca means. Dodecagon. Some may say it as Dodecagon. Normally it's Dodecagon because it's a polygon, not a polygon. Dodecagon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.